So I think I'm going to do a little documentary on the Cadillac company because I had a Cadillac before, Cadillac SRX. And I am at this point not fucking impressed with Cadillac. I went to the dealership the other day because my car was having a problem with starting. I looked it up on YouTube. I believe it has something to do with the alarm system. Well, I got a new little remote key and didn't mean jack shit. It didn't do anything. I'm not saying cuss words, it might remove my video. The Cadillac dealership does not know how to fix their own cars, apparently. Let me show y'all what this does so that y'all know what I'm talking about, man. I spent a lot of money on them trying to fix something that they still haven't fixed. They're paid, but I'm still not. I ain't moving. I ain't shaking around. I can't move because my freaking car. It is what happens when you put the key in the ignition. Yep, nothing. So you get all your little stuff and radio, it's something like that. But boom, dirty as shit working on this car, man. Trying to go under the hood on YouTube, pull out the little ECM piece, do this, do that, to reset it. You get a turn signal light on. Look, it's the stupidest shit I ever seen in my life, man. But the car won't start. So you go under the hood like they say, like auto mechanic buy, like they should not do this at the shop. Pull out the little ECM. Look how dirty my nails is out here under this, man. Take off, man. These people, I don't know what to say about Cadillac. Another thing I ain't impressed is the paint jobs, man. There's no reason why you should have to ever in your life, not get your car painted over again. Especially my car painted over in Mako is $887. But it doesn't make any sense why Cadillac did not put proper paint on their cars. So, fuck that part. Why the alarm system get jammed up and they don't know how to unjam it? I don't know how to unjam it. I didn't make Cadillac.